Did you know the microwave was invented by accident? This everyday kitchen gadget started as an unexpected discovery, and it all began with a melted chocolate bar. Meet Percy Spencer, an engineer working on radar technology in the 1940s. One day, while testing a magnetron, a device that generates microwaves, he noticed something strange. His chocolate bar had melted in his pocket. Instead of ignoring it, Spencer got curious. He placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and boom! The first microwave popcorn was made. Spencer and his team at Raytheon built the first microwave oven in 1947. But it was huge, almost as tall as a fridge, and it cost thousands of dollars. But how does it work? Microwaves send energy waves that make water molecules in food vibrate super fast, creating heat. That's why microwaved food heats up so quickly. By the 1970s, microwaves got smaller, cheaper, and safer. Soon, they became a must-have kitchen appliance, changing how we cook forever. And to think, the microwave started with a melting chocolate bar. What other everyday inventions were happy accidents? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to think, solve, create.